Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen after a long time. Yes, I did not post any videos last couple of months because I took some rest and now I'm back. So today I am bringing a very easy recipe. As you saw my headline, it is a garlic nimki. With the plain version of the garlic nimki we usually make every festival, in our every festival. So this is the garlic version actually, but it's also as best as the plain one.
And who doesn't like homemade snack? আৰু ইভিনিং টাইমত চাহৰ লগত যদি পোৱা যায় তেতিয়াতো কথাই বেলেগ নহয় জানো?
Let's start then.
For garlic nimki, I need 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. For that, I am using 4 cloves of garlic here. So it's done. Here I am using a chopper কাৰণ এই সৰু টুকুৰা কৰিবলৈ বহুত সুবিধা হয় আৰু সোনকালে হৈ যায়। In a pan, I will heat 4 tablespoons of refined oil. In this heated oil, I am adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. And I will cook it until it reaches the golden color. Now my garlic is done. I cooked it in a very low flame and it took 7 minutes for this color. Now I switched off the flame and keep it like this for a while to cool down. In a bowl I am taking 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you have it, you can take it, otherwise you can skip it. Half teaspoon salt. Mix it nicely. Now it's time to add the garlic oil. Mix this mixture very gently until it reaches the wet crumble point. Now I will knead the dough with water by adding gradually. I will give this darling for 30 minutes rest. Till then, just enjoy my window view. Now my dough is ready. I'm dividing it in equal portion. And the roti should be thick. I'm cutting it in rectangular shape. So my babies are ready. Let's go to fry it. For frying, always take a deep karai. Here I am taking generous amount of canola oil. You can use any refined oil. Heat the oil in medium flame, then just turn it to slow to fry the nimkis. Always fry nimkis in low flame. Yeah, it takes lots of time, but the outcome is awesome. Now my first batch nimkis are ready. Yes, it took almost 10 minutes and I'm keeping it on a napkin. So this is the outcomes of garlic nimki. It is very crunchy and tasty, and with a cup of tea, it's awesome. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like my video, and if you are a new viewer, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. So bye for now.